Nextlearn presents 100 MCQs with explanations from prepositions. 1. Which of the following is a single word preposition? A. Due to. B. Beneath. C. In spite of. D. According to. Answer. B. Beneath. Explanation. Single word prepositions are individual words like beneath, while others like due to and in spite of are multi-word prepositions. 2. What type of preposition is in addition to? A. Single word. B. Multi-word. C. Participle. D. None of the above. Answer. B. Multi-word. Explanation. In addition to is a multi-word preposition as it consists of more than one word conveying a single relational idea. 3. Identify the type of preposition used in this sentence. He is playing in the playground. A. Preposition of time. B. Preposition of place. C. Preposition of direction. D. Preposition of means. Answer. B. Preposition of place. Explanation. The word in indicates the position or place of an action. 4. Which preposition is used to show an exact point of location? A. At. B. In. C. On. D. By. Answer. A. At. Explanation. At is used to show an exact point, such as at the corner of the street. 5. Which preposition indicates being within a larger area? A. At. B. On. C. In. D. Over. Answer. C. In. Explanation. In refers to being inside a larger space, such as in the city. 6. What does on indicate when used for places of work? A. Within a building. B. Proximity. C. A place not within a building. D. None of the above. Answer. C. A place not within a building. Explanation. On is used for open areas or places of work not inside buildings, such as on a farm. 7. How is over different from above? A. Over means touching. Above means higher. B. Over and above are synonyms. C. Over indicates higher position. Above indicates no direct contact. D. None of the above. Answer. C. Over indicates higher position. Above indicates no direct contact. Explanation. Over can mean vertically higher or covering, while above indicates higher without touching. 8. Which preposition is correct in the sentence, the plane flew the ocean? A. Above. B. Over. C. Under. D. Beneath. Answer. B. Over. Explanation. Over is used to indicate movement across a large area such as an ocean. 9. Under is used to indicate which of the following? A. Higher position. B. Proximity. C. A lower position or directly beneath. D. None of the above. Answer. C. A lower position or directly beneath. Explanation. Under indicates a position directly below an object, such as under the table. 10. What does the preposition through indicate? A. Across a surface. B. Movement from one side to another. C. Below a surface. D. Between two objects. Answer. B. Movement from one side to another. Explanation. Through means passing within and exiting another side, e.g., through the tunnel. 11. Which preposition expresses the idea of proximity? A. On. B. By. C. Off. D. Beneath. Answer. B. By. Explanation. By indicates closeness, e.g., he is sitting by the river. 12. Which sentence uses on correctly? A. He is living on the building. B. He kept the book on the table. C. The keys are in the table. D. She walked by the table. Answer. B. He kept the book on the table. Explanation. On indicates something is resting upon a surface. 13. Across is used to indicate which of the following? A. From one side to the other. B. A position directly below. C. Within a specific place. D. None of the above. Answer. A. From one side to the other. Explanation. Across shows movement or position spanning a surface, e.g., across the river. 14. Behind can indicate which of the following? A. At the back of something. B. A higher position. C. Proximity. D. None of the above. Answer. A. At the back of something. Explanation. Behind indicates something is at or towards the back, e.g., behind the house. 15. What is the correct preposition in this sentence? The book is the shelf. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. By. Answer. B. On. Explanation: on is used to describe an object resting on a surface. 16. In front of means A. At the back of, B. Facing or close to the front part of something, C. Below something, D. Within something. Answer: B. Facing or close to the front part of something. Explanation: in front of denotes facing the main part of an object or person. 17. Which preposition is used to express movement into a place? A. Out of, B. In, C. Into, D. Off. Answer: C. Into. Explanation: into describes motion entering a space, e.g., he went into the room. 18. Towards is used for A. Direction, B. Position, C. Instrumentality, D. Time. Answer: A. Direction. Explanation: towards indicates movement in a specific direction, e.g., he ran towards the door. 19. Which preposition fits this sentence? He jumped the wall. A. Above, B. On, C. Over, D. Under. Answer: C. Over. Explanation: over denotes movement from one side to another while clearing the obstacle. 20. By is used to indicate A. Means or agent of an action, B. Position, C. Direction, D. None of the above. Answer: A. Means or agent of an action. Explanation: by is used for agency or method, e.g., the book was written by her. 21. What does the preposition among indicate? A. Between two things, B. Referring to a group of three or more, C. Directly below something, D. Against something. Answer: B. Referring to a group of three or more. Explanation: among is used when referring to three or more items, e.g., shared among the students. 22. Which preposition correctly completes the sentence? They distributed the sweets the children. A. Between, B. Among, C. With, D. Of. Answer: B. Among. Explanation: among is used for distribution to three or more individuals. 23. Opposite refers to A. Being directly across or facing, B. Being at a higher level, C. Being next to, D. None of the above. Answer: A. Being directly across or facing. Explanation: opposite indicates facing each other, e.g., the shop is opposite the park. 24. Which preposition best completes the sentence? The book fell the table. A. Under, B. Off, C. From, D. Beneath. Answer: B. Off. Explanation: off is used to indicate movement down from a surface. 25. The preposition beneath means A. At the back of, B. Directly under or lower in position, C. Higher in position, D. Next to. Answer: B. Directly under or lower in position. Explanation: beneath implies a position directly below something, e.g., beneath the surface. 26. Which preposition completes this sentence? He took the pen his pocket. A. Out of, B. Off, C. From, D. Off. Answer: A. Out of. Explanation: out of indicates movement from inside to outside, e.g., out of the room. 27. To and towards differ in that to indicates A. Movement in a vague direction, B. Definite direction or destination, C. A point lower than something, D. None of the above. Answer: B. Definite direction or destination. Explanation: to specifies a clear destination, while towards implies direction without specifying an endpoint. 28. What is the function of at in the sentence? He arrived at 6 p.m. A. Preposition of place, B. Preposition of time, C. Preposition of manner, D. None of the above. Answer: B. Preposition of time. Explanation: at specifies an exact time, e.g., at noon. 29. Which preposition fits this sentence? The event took place Christmas Day. A. On, B. At, C. In, D. By. Answer: A. On. Explanation: on is used with specific dates or days, e.g., on Sunday. 30. By is used in this context to mean A. Proximity, B. Agency or means, C. A position lower than something, D. None of the above. Answer: B. Agency or means. Explanation: by indicates the agent of an action, e.g., the painting was made by him. 31. The preposition since is generally used with A. Simple past tense, B. Future tense, C. Perfect tense, D. None of the above. Answer: C. Perfect tense. Explanation: since refers to a point in the past continuing to the present and is used with perfect tenses, e.g., since 2020. 32. Which preposition correctly completes the sentence, he lived here _ 2020? A. For, B. By, C. Since, D. At. Answer: C. Since. Explanation: since indicates a starting point in the past. 33. During is used to indicate A specific date, B. A time period when something happens, C. An exact moment, D. None of the above. Answer: B. A time period when something happens. Explanation: during specifies a time frame, e.g., during the holidays. 34. The phrase on time means A. Earlier than expected, B. At the correct or scheduled time, C. Later than expected, D. None of the above. Answer: B. At the correct or scheduled time. Explanation: on time refers to punctuality, e.g., the train arrived on time. 35. Which preposition completes the sentence, he arrived _ time to catch the train? A. On, B. In, C. At, D. By. Answer: B. In. Explanation: in time indicates being early enough to avoid missing something. 36. Which preposition correctly completes the sentence, he traveled _ the bus? A. By, B. In, C. On, D. Off. Answer: A. By. Explanation: by is used for modes of travel without articles, e.g., by car. 37. The preposition with in, he cut the paper with scissors, indicates A. Manner, B. Instrumentality, C. Direction, D. Means of travel. Answer: B. Instrumentality. Explanation: with specifies the instrument used for an action. 38. Which preposition fits the sentence, he paid for the goods _ cash? A. On, B. By, C. In, D. Through. Answer: C. In. Explanation: in cash is the correct phrase for specifying a mode of payment. 39. The preposition at in, she is at the library, specifies A general location, B. An exact point of location, C. Proximity, D. None of the above. Answer: B. An exact point of location. Explanation: at specifies a precise place, e.g., at the corner. 40. Which preposition is correct in the sentence, the train passed _ the tunnel? A. Over, B. Through, C. Across, D. Beneath. Answer: B. Through. Explanation: through indicates movement from one side of an enclosed space to the other. 41. Which preposition fits this sentence, he walked _ the road towards the park? A. On, B. Along, C. Over, D. By. Answer: B. Along. Explanation: along indicates movement in the direction of the length of something, e.g., along the street. 42. What does against mean in the sentence, he leaned against the wall? A. Higher than, B. In opposition to, C. Touching an upright surface, D. Beneath. Answer: C. Touching an upright surface. Explanation: against is used when something is in contact with a vertical surface, e.g., leaning against the tree. 43. Which preposition is used to indicate movement in opposition? A. Over, B. Against, C. By, D. Beneath. Answer: B. Against. Explanation: against expresses resistance or opposition, e.g., he swam against the current. 44. Which preposition completes the sentence, the school is just _ the house? A. Opposite, B. Beneath, C. Over, D. Along. Answer: A. Opposite. Explanation: opposite indicates facing or across from something. 45. Which preposition indicates proximity in the sentence, he is sitting _ me? A. In front of, B. By, C. Under, D. Over. Answer: B. By. Explanation: by means close to or beside, e.g., he sat by his friend. 46. What is the meaning of beneath in this sentence, the treasure was buried beneath the ground? A. Higher than, B. Lower in position, C. Facing across, D. Moving towards. Answer. B. Lower in position. Explanation. Beneath indicates a position directly under something. 47. Which preposition fits the sentence? They crossed the bridge to reach the other side. A. Beneath. B. Over. C. Across. D. Along. Answer. C. Across. Explanation. Across indicates moving from one side to the other, e.g., across the river. 48. What does through imply in the sentence? He walked through the forest. A. Over a large area. B. Entering one side and exiting the other. C. Along the edge of something. D. Directly beneath something. Answer. B. Entering one side and exiting the other. Explanation. Through refers to passing within and coming out, e.g., through the tunnel. 49. On is used correctly in which of the following sentences? A. The pen is on the drawer. B. The book is lying on the table. C. He went on the train to school. D. The dog ran on the street to him. Answer. B. The book is lying on the table. Explanation. On is used for something resting on a surface. 50. Which preposition fits? The cat jumped the fence. A. Over. B. Across. C. Beneath. D. By. Answer. A. Over. Explanation. Over indicates movement across something while clearing it, e.g., jumping over the wall. 51. Which preposition is used correctly in the sentence? He sat the armchair. A. In. B. On. C. By. D. Beneath. Answer. A. In. Explanation. In is used for the enclosed seating, e.g., in the armchair. 52. Which preposition fits? He is walking the riverbank. A. Along. B. Over. C. Under. D. By. Answer. A. Along. Explanation. Along indicates moving in the same direction as the length of something. 53. Between is used for how many entities? A. 2. B. 3. C. More than 3. D. None of the above. Answer. A. 2. Explanation. Between refers to two entities, e.g., between the house and the school. 54. Which preposition completes? He kept the painting the fireplace. A. Over. B. Beneath. C. On. D. By. Answer. A. Over. Explanation. Over refers to a position vertically above something. 55. Which preposition fits? The road runs the forest. A. Along. B. Through. C. Beneath. D. On. Answer. B. Through. Explanation. Through indicates passing within and out of a space, e.g., through the park. 56. Under indicates which of the following in this context? The bag is under the table. A. In a lower position directly below. B. At the back of. C. Moving towards. D. Across from. Answer. A. In a lower position directly below. Explanation. Under refers to something directly beneath, e.g., under the tree. 57. Which preposition is used to describe direction in? He walked the door. A. Towards. B. Beneath. C. By. D. In. Answer. A. Towards. Explanation. Towards indicates movement in the direction of something. 58. The preposition by, in, he came by car, refers to A. Direction. B. Means of travel. C. Position. D. Proximity. Answer. B. Means of travel. Explanation. By is used for modes of transportation, e.g., by bus. 59. Which preposition fits? The clock is hanging the wall. A. By. B. On. C. Beneath. D. Over. Answer. B. On. Explanation. On indicates being attached to or resting against a surface, e.g., on the wall. 60. By indicates agency in which sentence? A. The picture is on the wall by the window. B. The poem was written by Tagore. C. The pen is lying by the book. D. He is standing by my side. Answer. B. The poem was written by Tagore. Explanation. By indicates the doer or agent of an action, e.g., written by her. 61. Which preposition is used to indicate a point of time in the sentence? The train will arrive 5 p.m. A. In. B. At. C. On. D. By. Answer. B. At. Explanation. At is used to indicate a specific time, such as at 5 p.m. 62. In is used to indicate a larger period of time in which of the following sentences? A. The meeting will start in 5 minutes. B. He was born in 2000. C. She arrived in time. D. We arrived at night. Answer. B. He was born in 2000. Explanation. In is used for larger time periods such as years, months, or seasons. 63. Which preposition fits? The meeting is scheduled Friday evening. A. On. B. At. C. In. D. By. Answer. A. On. Explanation. On is used with specific days or dates, e.g., on Friday. 64. By is used to indicate the latest time something happens in which sentence? A. The train will arrive by 10 a.m. B. He will finish the project in a week. C. We met at the park. D. She arrived on Monday. Answer. A. The train will arrive by 10 a.m. Explanation. By specifies the latest time something is expected to happen. 65. Which preposition fits? He has been working here 5 years. A. Since. B. In. C. For. D. At. Answer. C. For. Explanation. For is used to indicate a duration of time, such as for 5 years. 66. Since is used correctly in which sentence? A. He lived here since 5 years. B. I have known her since 2010. C. She arrived since morning. D. They left since 2 days ago. Answer. B. I have known her since 2010. Explanation. Since is used with a specific starting point in time, such as since 2010. 67. Which preposition fits? He worked here Monday to Friday. A. For. B. Since. C. From. D. At. Answer. C. From. Explanation. From is used to indicate the starting point of a range of time, e.g., from Monday to Friday. 68. During indicates a time period in which sentence? A. He arrived during the morning. B. The fire broke out during the night. C. She will finish the work during 2 days. D. They arrived during 5 p.m. Answer. B. The fire broke out during the night. Explanation. During is used to describe actions happening within a specific time frame. 69. On time and in time differ in that on time means A. Before the expected time. B. At the scheduled or exact time. C. After the expected time. D. Without delay. Answer. B. At the scheduled or exact time. Explanation. On time refers to punctuality, such as the train arrived on time. 70. Which preposition completes he reached the station time to catch the train? A. On. B. In. C. At. D. By. Answer. B. In. Explanation. In time means early enough to achieve something, e.g., in time to catch the train. 71. By refers to means of communication in which sentence? A. He sent the message by email. B. He lives by the river. C. The book was written by her. D. He stood by my side. Answer. A. He sent the message by email. Explanation. By is used to indicate means of communication, such as by email. 72. Which preposition completes he went to school bicycle? A. On. B. By. C. In. D. With. Answer. B. By. Explanation. By is used to indicate a mode of transport without an article, such as by bicycle. 73. With refers to instrumentality in which sentence? A. He came with his friends. B. She cut the paper with scissors. C. He walked with a stick. D. He stayed with us. Answer. B. She cut the paper with scissors. Explanation. With indicates the instrument used for an action, such as with scissors. 74. Which preposition fits he wrote the letter a pencil? A. With. B. In. C. By. D. Of. Answer. A. With. Explanation. With indicates the instrument used to perform an action. 75. Which preposition indicates means of travel in he arrived a car? A. By. B. In. C. On. D. With. Answer. B. In. Explanation. In is used with modes of transport that are enclosed, such as in a car. 76. At indicates a specific point in time in which sentence? A. We met at the park. B. He will arrive at 6 p.m. C. She lives at the city center. D. He is sitting at the desk. Answer. B. He will arrive at 6 p.m. Explanation. At is used to specify a precise time. 77. On is used for dates in which sentence? A. He was born on Monday. B. She arrived on the evening. C. They live on the farm. D. The train is on time. Answer. A. He was born on Monday. Explanation. On is used with specific days and dates, such as on Monday. 78. Which preposition completes? He sent the package _a. A. By. B. On. C. With. D. Over. Answer. A. By. Explanation. By is used for modes of transportation or communication, e.g., by air. 79. In indicates time in which sentence? A. He came in time for the meeting. B. The exam will start in 5 minutes. C. She was born in January. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Explanation. In is used for various time frames, such as in 5 minutes, in January, and in time. 80. Which preposition fits? He arrived the last moment? A. At. B. By. C. On. D. In. Answer. D. In. Explanation. In is used to indicate being within a specific moment, e.g., in the last moment. 81. Which preposition completes? The package was delivered the post? A. By. B. With. C. On. D. Over. Answer. A. By. Explanation. By is used to indicate the means of communication or transportation, e.g., by post. 82. With is used to show accompaniment in which sentence? A. He cut the paper with scissors. B. She went to the park with her friends. C. The table was covered with a cloth. D. He acted with care. Answer. B. She went to the park with her friends. Explanation. With indicates the presence or company of someone, e.g., with her friends. 83. Which preposition fits? The keys are the table. A. In. B. By. C. On. D. Under. Answer. C. On. Explanation. On is used to indicate that an object is resting on a surface. 84. Under indicates what in the sentence? The cat is under the bed. A. A higher position. B. Directly below. C. Moving across. D. At the back of. Answer. B. Directly below. Explanation. Under refers to a lower position or being directly beneath something. 85. Which preposition completes? The train passed the bridge. A. Under. B. Over. C. Across. D. By. Answer. B. Over. Explanation. Over refers to movement from one side to another while above a surface. 86. From is used to indicate origin in which sentence? A. He took the book from the table. B. The train traveled from Delhi to Mumbai. C. She is from Kolkata. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Explanation. From indicates the point of origin in all examples given. 87. Which preposition fits? He was walking the riverbank. A. Along. B. By. C. Beneath. D. Across. Answer. A. Along. Explanation. Along indicates movement in the direction of the length of something. 88. Between refers to two items in which sentence? A. The park is between the library and the mall. B. The sweets were distributed among the children. C. The bridge runs across the river. D. He walked along the street. Answer. A. The park is between the library and the mall. Explanation. Between is used when referring to two entities. 89. Which preposition completes? He was leaning the wall. A. Over. B. Against. C. On. D. At. Answer. B. Against. Explanation. Against is used when something is in contact with an upright surface, e.g., against the wall. 90. Over and above differ in which way? A. Over indicates vertical position. Above indicates touching. B. Over and above mean the same. C. Over includes contact. Above means higher without contact. D. Over indicates movement. Above refers to a stationary position. Answer. C. Over includes contact. Above means higher without contact. Explanation. Over can imply covering or proximity, while above does not indicate touching. 91. Which preposition fits? He jumped the fence. A. Over. B. Under. C. Across. D. By. Answer. A. Over. Explanation. Over indicates movement from one side of something to the other by clearing it. 92. In front of means what in the sentence, the car is parked in front of the house. A. Behind. B. Directly opposite. C. Close to the front part. D. Beneath. Answer. C. Close to the front part. Explanation. In front of refers to being near and facing the front of something. 93. Which preposition completes, the painting is hanging _ the fireplace. A. On. B. Beneath. C. Over. D. By. Answer. C. Over. Explanation. Over indicates a position vertically above something. 94. By indicates proximity in which sentence? A. The book was written by him. B. The train arrived by 10 p.m. C. The house is by the river. D. He traveled by car. Answer. C. The house is by the river. Explanation. By indicates closeness or proximity in this context. 95. Which preposition fits, he is sitting _ the chair? A. In. B. On. C. At. D. Beneath. Answer. B. On. Explanation. On is used when referring to something resting on a surface, e.g., on the chair. 96. On is used for days and dates in which sentence? A. We met on Monday. B. The work will be done on the 15th of January. C. She was born on Christmas Day. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Explanation. On is used for days, dates, and specific occasions. 97. Which preposition completes, he ran _ the park to escape? A. Across. B. Beneath. C. By. D. In. Answer. A. Across. Explanation. Across indicates movement from one side of a space to the other. 98. Through refers to what in the sentence, the river flows through the city? A. Beneath a space. B. Within and out of a space. C. At a higher position. D. Along the length of a space. Answer. B. Within and out of a space. Explanation. Through indicates passing within and exiting, e.g., through the tunnel. 99. Which preposition fits, he arrived _ time to see the beginning of the play? A. In. B. On. C. By. D. At. Answer. A. In. Explanation. In time means arriving early enough to do something. 100. On refers to position or contact in which sentence? A. The book is on the table. B. The clock is on the wall. C. He sat on the bench. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Explanation. On is used to describe something in contact with a surface in all these cases. Thank you for watching. Purushottam Rout. Next to learn.